Yo, what is good, y'all? All right, so we are back with another video. All right, this is US30, by the way. This was yesterday's trade in the signal chat that pushed on US30 for over 200 points yesterday. So over 2,000 pips on this buy up on US30 yesterday that we ended up hitting take profit and exiting our trade. I didn't trust it to go too much higher after really analyzing that. But looking at it this morning, I was looking to see if we can get potential buys. All right. Now, once I seen that we did not break these highs yesterday, all right, we didn't close above, create new highs, and then give us a pullback retest, then I knew more than likely today probably would be a sell. Now, on our software, the us30 Edge Pro, on the lower time frames, all of those were actually showing a sell bias for the day. And then I was looking at price action, and it was lining up. All right, so it was lining up. So we didn't take out these highs here. Okay, let me get my tool here. All right, so we didn't take out these highs here. Then I also noticed that a price broke structure. Okay, so once we broke structure right here, we ended up breaking structure. It gave us a nice retest. I knew for sure once we broke this structure, waited for the retest, which we did get, got a nice rejection. I figured more than likely price was going to sell at the open. All right, which it did, and it ended up coming down, and then I ended up having this and targeting these lows. Now, I wasn't in the sell. It's not what I was looking for, but I did do a markup just to see where price was going to be headed down to potentially. All right, but so that's what I was seeing this morning on US30. All right, we didn't break the highs. We ended up breaking structure, got a break and retest. All right, then a continuation to the downside. Now that's another thing. If you ever notice that price is breaking structure, don't just enter. Right. I mean, you can if you want to, but for me, no retest, no entry. That's how I like to look at things. I would love to get a retest and then that continuation in the event I was selling. Now, there's some things that played out up here. We ended up breaking like some microstructure levels right up here on this candle, and then getting that pullback, getting that retest right here, and then that dump. All right, but I would have been definitely looking once this was created. I wasn't even awake yet. All right, I wasn't even awake when this was created. So when I woke up and I seen this, then I'm like, okay, cool. All right, so I wasn't even awake for all that. All right, but we are getting some rejection right at those lows there. But I am looking for US30 to potentially maybe continue selling. We'll see. But so when you're on the chart, be very mindful of just jumping in just too soon. All right, jumping in way too soon than you shouldn't. Before you should be. Sorry, excuse me. All right, and make sure that you're on the right side of the market. That definitely will save you for sure. All right. Now, how do you know to be on the right side of the market? Well, got to get the us30 Edge Pro. All right, get the us30 Edge Pro, and that will keep you on the right side of the market every single day, and it'll also keep you out of some trades. Right. So look at this trade. I was waiting for buying opportunities. This sold. The us30 Edge Pro did not. It didn't line up for me to take a buy. So today, it's just not going to be a trading day for me. All right, that's what I was looking for. That's what I had wanted, me personally, based on the higher time frame. All right, based on the higher time frame, but it didn't line up. And looking at price action was showing me that it wanted to sell off this morning. All right, so I'm just gonna sit on my hands. I'm gonna wait. I ain't gonna rush the trade, rush any trade for that matter. And I'm just gonna go continue on about my day. All right, so I hope this was informative. All right. You can always hit me up, DM me, and go get that us30 Edge Pro, and you're going to stay on the right side of the market and kill them. All right. Let's get it, y'all.